Ngilotshise nginamukele ehlelweni lethu lapha sithi khona siletlile esilithulelwa ngebakwaVusmo Media. Namhlanje sike isihloko sethu sithi dating, ubudlelwano. And siyazi bonyana ubudlelwano into yabantu ababili. Lapha kungena khona wesithathu khona kuba ngenye into ehlukahlukene kakhulu. Kodwa ke siyazi ukuthi i-dating ikhamba njani. Ngiba ukuthi silaleleni inthekeli zethu ezisiphathele ama-topics angaphakathi kwe-dating ukuthi bona bazizwa njani nge-dating nokubanyana i-dating bona ngengqondo zabo ithi isho ukuthini. Ngiba ukuthi siyithabele.
Lotshani, ibizo lami ngingithembisile Mkhashwane. This is my understanding nge-date. I-dating lokho umuntu akhupha umuntu afuna ukuhlongoza ukuhlekisana naye, amkhiphele endaweni zokudla mhlambe or endaweni zama-ice cream ngoba ama-dates ayahlukahlukana nje. Now umuntu okose ukuthi abhadele ukudla ku-date umuntu ohlongoze i-date, umuntu okose ukuthi abhadele i-transport. It's fair ukuthi omunye nomunye azilethe endaweni depending on the financial state, because if lo ohlongoza kwangabereki then it's only fair ukuthi ohlongoza kumele ukuthi arrange the transport. Now if lo ohlongoza akakagconywa lapho, it doesn't mean the end of ukuzwana. Yes, awukakayithola into oboyifuna, but that doesn't mean ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ungasamkhulumisi or ungasalike ama-post wakhe ku-Facebook or ku-social media. That's my understanding nge-date.
Lotshani, ibizo lami nginguthokozana Msweswe ngokwamasemula, inengi lingazi ngo-top loss. Esihlokweni sethu namhlanje sikhuluma nge-date. Kuyini i-date? Lokha-ke nasikhuluma nge-date sikhuluma ngalokha abantu ababili bakhiphana nofana umuntu munye kibo bobabili ukhipha omunye. Ungamkhipha umusi mhlawumnye endaweni yokudla e-restaurant, ungamkhipha niyokudla ice cream, ungamkhipha niyokuhlala ephagini senithenge ukudlanyana nidithe khona. Kodwa i-dating ngikho lokho ukukhiphana. Kanengi kufumana ukuthi umuntu isokana likhipha udade. Ya kuma-date amaningi vane kulokho vela ukuthi isokana likhipha udade. Bese ama-cost-ke it's obvious man. Ama-cost ngoba nguwe sokana ufuna udade loyo ufuna ukumkhipha, ama-cost vana coverwe lisokana depending on umrazana lo mhlawumbe uya-afforda unemodere, mara noma nemodere wena sokana na unayo imodere kuba romantic khulu ukuthi wena ukhambe umthatha umvulele ibadi umthengela amathuthumbo naniya ku-date. Bese ya ama-cost we-transport nokudla iye akhavarwa nguwe sokana. Ngehlangothini lokhana ngabe-ke after i-date leyo kuthoma awukakhambi kuhle abakucomi, then akwafanele mhlawumbe ubeke phasi nofana njani ngoba na i-date yokuthoma kaningi vane ukuthi ufuna ukwazana nomuntu loyo.
Hi, my name is Sophie Mahlangu. A date is a social meeting between two people who are trying to get to know each other. Actually, it's a way you establish or to find out noma ukwazi or understand the next person in order to be able to take a decision if you want to be in a romantic relationship with that person or not. And I believe the person who actually initiated the date should pay for the date. Thank you.
Sasha, ngokuzisa kwami i-date ulokha uthatha umuntu uthi asiphume siyokudla siyokhuluma indaba. Nawaqala kaningi ama-date nakuthiwa abantu baya ku-date vane kunomunye oshela omunye lapho, omunye lo akakagcumi bese omunye ngasikhathi uyashela omunye usafuna ukushela. Now nasiqala nge-context esiphila kiyo thina e-South Africans, siyayimotsha i-date. Kuhle i-date naniya ku-date niphuma noyi-2 niyashela ama-fees. Nangabe ngithenga ukudla wena mhlawumbe ubhadele transport ubhadele okhunye, mara e-South Africa kusinjalo. Umuntu akafuna ku-date nawe usho wena usubhadele, you're going to pay ukudla, uzomkhweza itaxi or uzomthatha ipetrol ukhambe uyomthatha ngekolo yakho uze naye. Lokho nanithethe ukudla uthi uyamshela kutshela ukuthi amathumba akho abuhlungu athi sisakubuya ngelila ngamagama mhlokudliwa msi. Akhona abantu bayadliwa yona ngesilebela kuna-date. Into kuthiwa i-date ngesikhethu ayikho, abantu bayadliwa umuntu ofuna idate kanye nowaqala phezulu abayithanda idate ngikhipha siyokudla ukudla nje uthenga ngibani ukudloko abakuthengi wona ukudla ngamagama idate abantu abaningi bayisebenzisela ukubenefit just ukuthi umuntu aphume aye restaurant or mhlambe aye hotel ayokudla mahala sekuphuma kuye ukuthi uyacoma nakacoma nakafuna ungasacomela ukuthi akhona ukubenefita enye imali angisho mhlambe uyakucoma kuthi ukucoma kutshela ukuthi unenkinga ezisona so ze-finance nangabe nawe ufuna ukuveza ukuthi uyindoda o-strong then you will end up promising that person ukuthi mhlambe is fine uzamhelebha financial then nangaqala kuhle ithoma lapho i-friends with benefits so yamsiza financial naye sekathoba lombiza kuyeza noma kucomile nangaba usiboyfriend yakhe kuyatsho ukuthi uyisayikick yakhe nawe uyisayikick kusho ukuthi lapho senabenefita lethu phela sometimes inawe ukuthi friends with benefits ayithoma ukuthi nizwane ukuthi we are friends with benefits ungathi uyampropose akutshela ukuthi no ngine-boyfriend but it's fine sizakubona amagama unenja ikhona mara ilumi angazwa ngibamba la so sometimes ithoma lapho indaba friends benefit but in most cases ngokuya ngami idate nanga umuntu uyamthanda labo umuntu awumthanda sometimes there is no need ukuthi umuntu athi ikhonkhiphe siyokudla batsho ngokufuna ukuthi akucome you end up spending a lot of money unnecessary nakabuya uthola ukuthi akakucome nokucoma phela if akakucome nakafuna ngathi yazi ngisayoyicabanga sizayikhuluma next time uthi ikhuluma indaba leyathi no let's go back to your place la sayahlangana khona siyokudelela lapho ngamagaba you must pay again awela sasha ngokuya ngami idate into nje yokudlala ngemali nento yokuspoila umuntu afuna ukumspoila angamspoila umuse ku-date but i-date ayichange ingqondo umuntu ukuthi uyakuthanda nokuthanda wambona ne-interest ekubeni bekanganayo sekanayo after date meaning ubenefite kamnandi khulu ukuthandela ukudla kwehotela or ukuthandela ukudla kwe-restaurant that is why afuna ukubuyela that's how I understand it date
i-date it's when bakukhipha ukhitshwa ngubani ukhitshwa nguguy the way mina ngibelieve ngakhona mina the way vele nje oselibe ngakhona mabakhiphako akusukuthi alright ke nabakhipha akusukuthi bashokosele badale uguy okay uyakhipha yena mara at least let's go 50-50 nyana nawe keep contribute nyana kancane yabo kuzoba ngcono lapho like that's a date like skipene mina nawe like yabo sabonana and that if first date lapho yeah and then mabakhiphako like I don't believe ukuthi kose kupatale uguy every time kose uguy kupatale ifee yokuza lapho uyakhona like no manje uzikhiphele wena imali yakho uzidlise what if ufika lapho uthi ku first date ufike wena betha ama plate amanyadura fika ku 100 and something this is katu guy akana mali nefika lapho mntana esikolo mhlambi yazifundela ma university lapha ukhiphe ku date wena nje first time yini nimali NSFAS kuphela kukwenzakalani yabo like that thing that kose sibogela sibacabangela like abo guy like singacabanga ukuthi yazini guy umuntu onguguy umuntu onemali or in kose sicabanga ukuthi yazini as a guy mhlambi uyafunda usaphanda like usafuna something na usaplana something kose at least umuntu wanabantu ummeet halfway forced ukuthi basho kose akwenzele everything uzakwenzela everything asesini official lapho khona it's a must akuhlekwa thank you
okay the way describe khona I date one i-date is not about ukuthi uguy fanele pay for each and every fee taxi fare ibill yezinto nezidlileko ma drinks and no si describing ngendlela right one i-date ukutsazana isinawo ukuthi ungena ngaphakathi kwani uyokuthola ini you must find that on a date angeke u-expect ukuthi siya ku-date then mina sengithenga ama-KFC nanani wena ucontributing next and lapho khunye uthola abogirl ba-manipulate. Umuntu athi uyongithengela then uyamtshela okay sizodla ilunch. Iyo costa malini uyamtshela ngibudgete 150. Uzwe mina ngeke ngisuke ekhaya for 150. Siyadlelezelana lapho. Khunye ukhamba nogirl niyaku-date. Order into zakhe kayidle nekhaya. Kumoshelana imali naqeda lapho nakufanele qonywane umuntu sekajikela no. Nginomuntu bla bla bla. Asenzeni i-date ngendlela right. I-date ukwazana. Ngingayenza i-date okay ngibhadale for all those fees. Nawe ngelinye ilanga kuqabanga ukuthi damani ngimo-owe favor ngoba wangikhipha sawudlalisa. Why mina ngamkhiphi sokudla dead. Asibalanseni. Enjoy 50-50. Thank you.
Sizwile ke i-dating bonyana eyini. Kunabo blind date, kunabo friends with benefits, kunayo yonke imihlobo ye-dating. Sithokoza indlebe yakho sihlangane ngokuzayo. Ngiyathokoza ngobafana Sasha B.